Hey guys, this is Ultimate Gamer 505. Yes, I'm still sick. Um, I finally finished making SkyTube Increaser 3.0. Not many of you have probably noticed this, but in a 2.0 version, it didn't really work. I tested it out. I tried using it the other day on a page, to help somebody out. Not on YouTube, it was on a different page. And I was helping somebody out, and the views did not go through. And I found out there was a big bug in it, and so I decided to start it all over and make 3.0. I've tested it. This time it works. So if anyone has 2.0, you can go and get rid of it. But 1.0 and 3, they work. 2.0 is just bleh. It's gone. Just get rid of it and try 3 out. And before I show you it, I'm going to open all the SkyTube increasers that were made before it. Okay. This, hold on. This was 1.0. No auto size. It was just big, huge. It got the work done, but there was no percentages. It didn't tell you when it was, like, how many views it had done so far. It was basically just type the URL, go, and start. Watch this. Done. And I'm going to demonstrate that right now. I'm going to demonstrate on all of them. So we're going to go to Google, and every time we're going to put in 20 views. So you click go. It goes to the page, and you start viewing. And the status bar would fill up as it would view it. If the view did not go through, then the progress bar would still, continue. And then it would close, which was kind of something I couldn't help because of the way it was programmed. This was 2.0. I designed it to be smaller so that you could actually watch the views go up on your actual web browser. You wouldn't have to view it in here. I'm talking about like an actual web browser like Mozilla Firefox. So like you could start viewing it here and then watch it go up in the actual web browser. You could like click refresh one time and watch the views go up. And this is the one that didn't work. This thing right here worked. That part did. But the actual putting like the views up there did not. In 3.0, I got rid of the advanced options because I really found no use for them. Pre-rendering, that kind of means it loads the page first before, yeah. If you turn this off, it basically goes and starts viewing automatically as soon as you press the button. Ignore this. This was something that didn't work out. This was like retried the views, but it's useless because this is version 2 and the version 2 never worked in the first place. So all that was basically for nothing. So here, we'll try this out. So we're gonna add 20. And for those wondering why it didn't work, wait, didn't I just explain that? Never mind. Anyway, start and see. Look, the progress bar would fill up. And see, it says it's working. Like it's actually like showing like the little hourglass thingy was a while ago, and it was showing that it was working, but it's actually not at all. I mean, watch. I mean, it's like, look, you can see a little circle there, and it's actually working, but it's not. It's showing that it's not. And that's the one that's not working. So anybody who has this, you can just go ahead and throw it away, delete it. It doesn't work. So yeah. Now the one we've all been waiting for. 3. Now you may look at it and say, wow, that looks exactly like 2.0 but just a different colors and stuff. Sorta is, sorta not. Let's see. Information. Here's a little information box. This is version 3. This tells you the viewing source, what I used to build this with. Views per second, it does 2 views per second. If you use the anti-view skip, that makes it where it will make it where the skips won't happen as often. This reduces the views per second to 1.6. Hardly noticeable, but yeah, it's pretty good. There's 2 forms. By that, it means the actual main form here and then the information form. That's basically all it's saying. It was made yesterday, since today is 12/28/10. With this one, it is not limited to video sites anymore. It can be any site at all. It can be used on any page. I improved the viewing intervals. The intervals basically means the time, like how fast the views, how fast you get views on the page. I improved it to where it works at a pretty good rate to where it won't skip as much. I improved the visual design. You've noticed that it's black and green, black and red over here. I added transparency on our symbol, our little logo. Yep. And let's see, now this one I had to include or the whole program would fail. It would not work at all. Preview page loading. This ensures the views will go through. And by it means pre, not preview as in like, oh, you get to watch it. No, it means pre as in like it loads before it starts viewing. And that's kind of why I put this caption right here. See where it says idle? It means it's not doing anything. When you view something, it'll say it loads. Then it starts viewing. And in the README, I included more ways to contact me, but here in the information, it shows how to contact me. So, and still nothing on file, it just says exit. Tools, I still have anti-view skip, that's staying. And the information, yeah. So we're going to test this out. We're going to go to Google. I'm going to type in 20 views. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention. In SkyTube Increaser 1.0, you could have 1,000 views. In 2.0, 2,000 views. And as you can probably guess, in version 3, 3,000 views. You can add 3,000 views to a video at one time. So here's 20 views. Going to Google. It's idle. And one more thing before I start. See where the title bar is? I thought of users who use Windows XP, which I don't have, but I used to have it. At the bottom, it shows a little taskbar. Instead of having this open to view how views and stuff, how much percentage you have, you can just minimize it. If you don't want to look at it, you want to look at your browser. So that way you can keep an eye on, like, down at the taskbar to see which percentage you have. So a percentage is going to show up here for viewing, and it'll show up here, and also tell you how many views you get here. So instead of me blabbing on, let's go ahead and start it. Start views. It starts loading. This is that preview loading thing. As soon as it's done, it will begin viewing. Title bar here, percentage, how many views is completed, and same percentage here. Views complete. And then you can just start it all over. I didn't include advanced options. This is not resizable. And I also fixed a bug that was in all computers where, like, if it's set different, if a resolution is set differently on another computer, it'll look different on another computer. I fixed that bug so it'll always look like this. So, except this little border at the top and stuff. That will change, but I'm talking about the resolution changing. That's not going to change. So, that's SkyTube Increaser 3. And I think this might be my last version. I'm not entirely sure. If you guys like it and want me to make another version, then I will. Just ask. And I'll see what I can do. send me some ideas on what that might be included in the next version if you want. Because I wouldn't know what else to put in this program. But you guys might have ideas. And just give me some. And it may be included in the next version. So, something to look forward to. Thanks for watching. I'm going to put the download link in the description so you guys can use it. Don't care what for. No credit needs to be given. Just can be distributed freely. Just do whatever with it. It was fun making it too. But anyway, I'll see you guys later. Have fun with the program.